Hi everyone, welcome back to Ditzy Beauty. I'm going to show you guys how I get this like pinky purple look. So let's hop right into this. I just did a thing and I'm not happy about it. I just stuck my thumbnail into my paint pot. Alright, well anyways, I am going to show you how I create this look. I'm using the Morphe Such a Gem palette. I think it's also called 39S, something like that. I could have the number completely wrong, but I do know it's also called Such a Gem palette. I'm going to be applying the eye primer all over my eyelid, okay? And you're going to want to leave that out because you are going to be using it again. The first color I'm going to go in with is, I'll show you guys the palette real quick. Ta-da! But I'm just going to read off the names, so bear with me. The first color I'm going to go into is Bougie, B-O-U-J-E. And I'm going to start with putting that right here. In the like upper inner lid. Okay, the next color after that is going to be Berry Good. And this is a deeper pink. Actually, it wasn't very good because I thought it was going to go in Berry Good, but then I realized that it was like too much. Like it's just the same color, just a little bit not as bright. So I started to apply that and then I was like, no. I actually went in with Purple Majesty. Yeah. So then you're going to apply Purple Majesty to the outer upper lid. And go back in with a little bit more of I don't know how to pronounce that color. It's a little bit. And then I'm going to be taking the color Make It Rain. I want to say rain, but I don't think that's how you say it. I think it's like region. Make It Region or something like that. You're just going to apply that to the lower outer of your eyelid. I am wiping my brush off in between on a paper towel just so my colors aren't blending too much. Now you're going to go back in with your paint pot and basically right here on the inner lid you're going to just go back over that a little bit. So your colors stick. And the first one you're going to take is this one is Here For It. You're going to take Here For It. And you're just going to dab this. You want to blend it with Make It Rain or Make It Region, however you want to say it. And then you want to slowly bring it out. And then in your inner corner, you're going to be taking the shade Catch the Light. So there you go. So that is how we do that. And then I'm going to take my black eyeliner. That is not my eyeliner, that is my eyebrow pencil. Black eyeliner, and draw a super thin line. We're not doing a wing, we're doing a super thin line. Okay, I will be right back. I'm going to finish the rest of my face. And then we can do the under right here, like makeup. Okay, I'll be right back. So I'm back. I went ahead and did the rest of my face. I'm now going to be taking eyeshadow and putting it under my eye. I am going to be taking the Make It Rain first. And we're going to connect these two. So I applied a very thin line going under so far, and then the next color I'm going to be using, I'm going to go in actually with the Here For It color, which is just a shimmer, but we really need to. So it's on there. It's hard to see, I know, but I did do range and then make it, or no, Here For It. Range and make it Here For It on my under eye. I'm going to finish this look with some mascara, and then we are complete. Great, that is the complete look, and thanks for watching. Bye.